Hey all, welcome back to another episode. I'm Arjun.
I'm Krishna.
Today we're going to be reviewing what's inside this black box. As you can see, there is no labels at all. And so now we're going to be reviewing this. But first, I would like to tell you a few things. So you all know about the situation about here. It's totally turned this corona situation, like it's really dangerous to go outside, and like basically Teachers' Day is around the corner, and I like before this COVID-19 used to exist, I had to just buy stuff for my Teachers' Day, but ever since this COVID-19 we cannot get out, so me and my mom decided to order from a shopping website called Lazada. We specifically use Lazada because we trust Lazada a lot. So basically we bought like a few calligraphy pens and some other ink pen types, and I made a request to my mom to buy one of each set so that I can do myself, and the other sets will be for my teachers.
So let's go and open.
No, wait, not yet. First, So now let us open. And here it is.
Wow, this is a very nice one.
It is beautiful. There's like a feather pen, an ink bottle, a stand to hold your feather pen, and a book. First, let's check out the feather pen. There's this elastic band, rubber band thingy. Just pops right out. Wait. It's like a pen with a feather. There's a nib of really beautiful feather, but be careful with the nib. This is, even though this is made of metal, if you're writing really fast and you just abruptly just stop, this can break even though it's made of metal. I'm just going to put this right here. Let's check out the ink bottle, the feather pen ink. It has about 15 milliliters of black ink. That's the only ink that's in the set. There is the stand. It has like a glass or plastic thing.
It's glass.
Metal revolving thing. You can, like, once you're just writing, put it down. Now let us check out the book. It has like a nice leather. It's leather. It has some leaf designs. There's some band of leaf made of metal. And
Let's see.
This is like a diary or a notebook.
Wow, this is nice.
Let's do this. I think, it's upside down.
Wow.
Yeah, so basically I tried this out before like shooting this. As you can see, this is just one dip, just to see like how much like I can write with this kind of pen, since like I've never really used anything like this. So yeah, wait, putting this. So now I'm just going to put the box aside.
So
there we go. Now even 5-year-olds like Krishna, he can write this as well. So Krishna, would you like to try?
Yes, I'm gonna try to write my name. Like I don't wanna try to write this pen really fast.
There's a seal and already got stained. Okay, I get it. I just Oh, that's like a cork.
Arjun.
I'm going to just...
Arjun, how do we use...
I'm just gonna wipe this cork thingy in my hand.
So...
I'm gonna have to wash my hands. So there's like a very nice ink texture. Now Krishna, you may take this.
But Arjun, how do we use this?
Well, we just write your name on this, okay?
Okay.
You hold it first like a regular pen. And so first you just hold it like a regular pen and dip it. There. Now write your name. Wait. Yeah, like that. Now write your name. Now it's like it takes practice to understand how the ink flows, and like you really shouldn't be like,
Huh?
Wait, let me write your name for you.
You can write my R. Now, can I write my S?
Make sure, yeah, write your, I. Of course, it is his first time writing his name in this kind of pen. Okay.
Hatch.
Now the way how it turns out is just complete luck. Sometimes lots of it can just like go on. There, that's his name.
Mama, isn't it beautiful?
Now. So now, obviously, when you when you're holding this, you have to hold it straight. Make sure the nib is like straight, like always in front, like this. So now I'm just going to do like patterns.
But Arjun,
Yes.
how does the ink pen do that?
I actually don't know. I'm just gonna do zigzag. Of course, you do have to be slow to get the best result. As you can see, like it's kind of a pattern. Like it gets thick then thin, and thick then thin. This is actually quite far for like a nib pen, like for like a ink drop dip pen thing. Yep. That is not the end. I'm going to continue. This is quite a lot. This is going for quite a long time. It is quite a very good pattern, right?
Wow, it's beautiful.
I think there's a lot of ink on this.
But
is this gonna end?
looks
Wait.
like you ran off of ink.
Oh my god. This is still covered in ink? But I can't write. Kind of, I can.
That's because you used too much
Okay.
ink.
We just need to tilt it upwards more. Then gravity will do the rest. In just like one dip, this is as much for me. Like some people they put a lot, like some people they get less ink, some people they get more ink, some people are fast, slow, blah blah blah. Yeah, this is as much as I can do. So like yeah, this is a really good tool if you want to like immerse yourself in calligraphy and how, like, you know how we write pens, it's like basically infinite. We don't have to re-dip. And like, yeah, And before dipping again or like keeping this, be sure to wipe. As you can see what happened. The tissue, yeah, I'm just scribbling. This is like a really good tool to immerse yourself in calligraphy and lots of stuff. There.
Oh,
That's it. Now, Krishna, you try it.
but I'm
Just do a pattern. Just do a pattern. Redip. Hold it properly. Don't go way too near to the nib. Otherwise, you can get it on your fingers.
huh?
But like, hold it tightly, and then, yeah, you will get your results.
Okay.
Yeah. It is really good.
So Arjun, you must not scribble.
Yeah.
You must.
I mean,
make
this
it
is just a test.
So I can do this, but I can do a much better one than this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That is an interesting pattern. Now, Krishna, how about this? Let's wrap up. So, like, yeah, you can buy this if you want to. You can just do it. Yeah. Is it now? Don't like forget to like wipe it again before like packing it. And yeah, it is like a regular pen, and like there's a holder. Yeah.
But I can't.
You got ink on your fingers. Oh no! Don't worry, we'll wash. So like,
But
yeah, I think that's the end of our episode. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe this video.
I will say,
Okay then.
if you're watching this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share our videos to all of the people so they could have a lot of views. So if we have a lot of views, we are gonna be better than anyone's recording.
So remember, stay safe and keep watching.
Bye.